Hello! We are here right now at Magellan's Cross ba?
Magellan's Cross.
Yeah, the famous Magellan's Cross daw ito.
Yeah. Kabalik uli ako. Second time ko na to.
Social.
Kabalik uli ako sa kanya.
Ito yung haba na to. Ito ba yun?
Ito mismo, sa nasa loob.
Ito yun.
Yeah, nasa loob.
Okay. Okay. This is it. Pansit. So we're gonna shoot here again. Ayan, so magaganda naman pala ang view. Sensya na po, iglesia po ako. Eto sa loob. Ayan. Yan, for tourist purposes. So, ayan. Park siya. And we're gonna shoot here once again.
Picture na? Video yan.
Bakit pagka video tayo kasi kaya mag-post? Pero may epilepsy. At ako naman to yung Independensya. Independensya. This is Plaza Independencia.
No, Port of San Pedro.
Like this.
Ganun.
Ganun, tak.
Ayun, Port of San Pedro.
Guys, say kawai-kawai. Hi. Please do subscribe to Mommy Star on YouTube and don't forget to like also my page on Facebook. Hello guys. Kawai-kawai po kayo. Ayan. Mga turista po yan, makasamahan ko dito sa Cebu.
Tayo, game.
Chika po.
Yeah, check the cigarette yun. Wala dyan siguro. Tsaka doon.
Wala. Dali.
Lola pala, may birthday.
Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I'll feel the chill inside.
There. We are here right now. Yeah, the Fort San Pedro. Hi. We're going inside to see what's inside. Ayan, as you can see, ito yung mga sinaunang shore ba ng ating mga, yes, selfie. Mga pistayem. Ito, ang Tingko history ng Cebu. Yan. Napakaganda. Historical na din. Yes. Diba? Ito yung loob niyan. the founding of Cebu. Yes po. And the Fort San Pedro in the past. Yes. Yan, napakaganda. Finally, we're good.
Grabe na.
Yan.
Nakakaalog na yung SIM card.
Very
Wala na
nice.
siya. SIM card not installed. Ganyan.
Ah.
Ay, sorry. Video eh. We're done for
We're
tonight.
done for today.
Let's hope for a good day tomorrow.
It's been a great day today. See ya. A cup in hand.